So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Audio, double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Do the same thing for the Windows Audio endpoint builder. Double click on it. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now this will come up. Now once we're here, where it says playback, make sure that your devices are not disabled. So for example, if I right click on this and I click on disable, it's now going to be disabled. You want to make sure that your devices are not disabled. So now I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable. Now it's been enabled. So make sure that your devices are enabled and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Then you're going to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on yes. Then you just want to go through all the steps that will come up. Once you complete that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.